Shun misconduct in speech. Shun misconduct in speech. Live a life of perfect restraint in speech. Dhammapad 232. Guard against the verbal expression of emotions. Be restrained of verbal behavior. Give up verbal misconduct. Practice wholesome verbal behavior. Rough speaking. One should guard against. Be in speaking well restrained. Bad verbal conduct, having said, train oneself in good. Dhammapad 232. Basi pokopong rakkhya basayo su sangbuto siya. Basi dussarittang hitva basayo susarittang sore. Basi pokopong rakkhya basayo sangbuto siya. Basi dussarittang hitva basayo susarittang sore. Dhammapad 232.